PNP present.
Okay guys, so I just asked someone and apparently what's going on is some kind of flag ceremony.
Let's start with agriculturist licensure examination passers November 2024. Grabe, so we have 7 passers sa agriculturist. Let me read to you the content of the certificate. Before that, may I call in our Municipal Administrator, Sir Dr. Joven Ryan G. Malida. Dito tayo, sir. And Ma'am Vic, siguro, since meron ba tayong, nandiyan ba si Vice? Yes, also our Vice Mayor, Melchor J. Hotar. Dito tayo, Vice. Meron ba tayong Councilor? Nandito. Wala. Sige, si Vice. Si Sir Jerome, our IPMR, Honorable Jerome Ante, dito tayo, sir. Our administrator, sige dito tayo, sir, for the giving of certificates sa ating mga board passers. So, Republic of the Philippines, Province of South Cotabato, Municipality of Molomolok, Office of the Municipal Mayor, Certificate of Commendation is presented to for successfully passing the November 2024 Agriculturist Licensure Examination awarded this 3rd day of February 2025 during the flag raising ceremony held at Municipal Grounds, Molomolok, South Cotabato. Signed by our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Bernie D. Palencia, this certificate of commendation is presented to Precious Faith G. Buslon. The same certificate is awarded to... Andyan ba siya? Okay. Evan A. Clavecilias. Congratulations. The same certificate of commendation is awarded to Florence Joy Y. Garcia. The same certificate of commendation is presented to Mary Grace G. Opena.